Hello friends, you might have tasted different kind of chili paneer, but today's one is a bit special. It's with cheese. So our today's recipe is cheesy chili paneer. This is a very simple recipe and very tasty to eat. So as you can see, it looks very delicious, right? So we'll learn how to do this, how to cook this. Stay with us till the end of the video. So first we have taken the paneer cubes. As you can see, we have cutted the paneers in cubes like this. Now take another bowl and add 2 spoons of corn flour and 1 spoon of red chili powder. We are using tablespoons here. Add the chili powder and corn flour on the paneer cubes. Now marinate this with the paneer cubes. Add 2 tablespoons of water and marinate again, then it will get coated nicely. So see, as we have marinated it with that water, this time we have added 1 spoon of salt also, but we don't have that part in the video. So with salt, water, corn flour and chili powder, marinate this paneer cubes, and after the marination let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Next step is take a kadai, add vegetable oil in this and let it heat, and after that add the paneer cubes, marinated paneer cubes, to fry. We need to fry till the color gets changed to golden. So add all the paneer cubes and keep frying. Now one side is fried, we will turn to the another side. As you can see, one side is fried. We'll wait the another side also to get fried. Next, in a plate we have chopped 2 medium size onions and 2 big size capsicums. Also chopped 10 garlics and around 25 grams of ginger. We have chopped all of that. As you can see, chop it in the same way how we have chopped it. So as we have already fried the paneer in the same oil, first we are adding the ginger and garlics, all are chopped nicely, and then we are going to fry them for about 2 minutes. Now we are adding the capsicum and onion along with the ginger and garlic, and we will keep frying them in high flame till the capsicum becomes boiled and the onion also will get fried and the color will get changed to semi-transparent. After 5 minutes, add half tablespoon of salt so that the veggies will get soft faster. Okay, and mix that salt and keep frying. After 3 to 4 minutes, add the paneer cubes, the fried paneer cubes. As you can see, we are adding all the paneer cubes in these veggies. Mix the paneer cubes with the veggies and keep frying. At this time, make the flame low to medium flame. Do not fry in high heat or high flame. So reduce it to low or medium and keep frying for 5 to 10 minutes. After almost 8 minutes, as you can see, this veggies has been boiled, the color has been changed. At this moment we are adding the tomato sauce. So here we are adding 5 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Also we are adding very little soya sauce. As you can see, very little amount, do not add more soya sauce. And then the corn flour we put in one container, right there we are adding some water. It's maybe 50 ml water, not more than that. And the same we are adding the inside this paneer and veggies, we are adding the same water, so which is having some corn flour and some red chilies left over. So that we are going to now mix it. See, we are mixing it. At this time again, cook in high flame, increase the flame to high flame and keep stirring. And we are almost at the end of the recipe, so keep stirring it in a high flame. Wait for almost 2 minutes for stirring this, and after 2 minutes our chili paneer will be almost ready. So now our chili paneer is almost ready. As you can see, the water also has been reduced. Now we are serving it in a serving plate, and we are taking all the chili paneer here in this serving plate. Very nice smell is coming, and at this time we will garnish it with fresh chopped coriander leaves. As you can see, it is absolutely optional, but it enhances the taste. And after adding this fresh coriander leaves, we are adding the cheese. So as you can see, we are adding the cheese one by one. So all this cheese we are adding. The cheese will get melted slowly because the paneer is hot, so the cheese will also get melted. Very nice smell is coming and it looks very delicious. Do try this at your home, and especially when some guests are coming, this can be a very good snacks. So do try this at your home, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.